Good morning, children. Welcome back to our Max class. I am Krishnavini, your Max teacher of Dr. Besant's school. So today I am going to teach you first standard CBSE mathematics. So children, before starting my class, please get ready with your studio book and companion book, as well as get ready with your pencils, erasers and sharp the pencil readily. Keep all these things ready and listen to my class. Okay. In the previous class, what I explained, way to use long and way to use short. Where we are using longer than, where we are using shorter than, and where we are using equal. These words I have shown you with some activities. I have shown through an objects, okay, where we are using these wordings. When we are measuring the length, we use the words long and short. Okay. See, in the previous class I explained you through in your textbook they have given some belts, a black belt and an yellow belt. Okay. So what here we are observing? Here we are observing the length of these belts. Based on this length, this is nothing but a length of this black belt and length of this yellow belt, as I have explained in the previous class. Okay. Today I am going to tell you way to use longest, way to use shortest words. Okay. Now I will show you some objects here. Observe this. Observe these three objects. My dear children, see here, I am taking three items here. A pen, I am holding. A chalk piece, I am holding. And a spoon, I am holding. If you see all these three, I am holding on a flat place so that you can understand the concept. Okay. So on seeing these three objects, children, please tell me, observing these three, which one is the shortest? Yes. So chalk piece is the shorter. And which one is the longer? See the lengths here? Yes. It is spoon. How you are saying? That chalk piece is short and spoon is longer. How you are saying? By observing the lengths of these objects, isn't it or not? So now observe this one. This chalk piece is shorter than a pen or not? Say yes or no. Is the chalk piece shorter than pen or not? Yes. And also observe, is this chalk piece shorter than this spoon or not? That means this chalk piece is shorter compared with these two objects, spoon and the pen. So ultimately what we will observe, this chalk piece is the shortest among these three items. So children, you repeat, which one is the shortest? Yes, it is chalk piece. So there we are using the word shortest. Shortest. When we observe any three items here, after observing the lengths, we come to know that this chalk piece is the shortest when compared with the spoon and the pen. Understood? Now, observe this spoon now. This spoon is longer than this chalk piece or not? Yes. Also observe, the spoon is longer than this pen or not? Yes, it is also correct. That means the spoon is longer than these two objects or not? Yes, that means So this spoon is going to be the longest. Then we should use the word longest. Understood, children? Where we are using the word shortest and longest? When we compare three items, when we observe the three items, you can say that on comparing the remaining two, so you can understand that which one is the longest and which one is the shortest. Okay, children? Now, open your studio book. Children, open your studio book. Page number 2. Open your studio book. Page number 2. Okay, open this one. Now we will do some exercise that was given in our studio book. My dear children, are you ready? Now, opened your page 2 or not? Good. Now, I am reading one heading here that was given in your book. So, put a finger there and you only answer to my questions. Okay? So, see here. Use your finger. I am reading. Put your finger on this heading. What he is asking is, use your finger to trace the length of each object and fill in the blanks with longer than or shorter than. So now he has given some pictures by the side of the questions. So they have given questions at the right side and the figures on the left side. Did you observe or not? Yes. Now, what is the first question? See, I am reading. Hold the pencil also readily. The blue crayon is dash the orange crayon. That means, observe this blue crayon and orange crayon. Did you observe or not? Yes. Now tell me, which one is shorter or which one is longer? Yes, blue crayon is longer and orange crayon is shorter. Very good, children. Now, you hold your pencils and write the answers in the blanks given. Okay. What is the first one given? The blue crayon. I am writing the question on the board for your convenience. Okay, the blue crayon is dash the orange crayon. The orange crayon. Orange crayon. So tell me, children, which one? He is asking the blue crayon is dash the orange crayon. Longer or shorter? Yes, the blue crayon is longer. Right here, children. Longer than the orange crayon. Understand, children? The blue crayon is longer than the orange crayon. Okay, second one. In that, another question is also there. Another word is also there. We can also express the same in another way, as I already told you. If one is longer than the other, ultimately the other is shorter than the first one. Like that. So they have given a question. The orange crayon. The orange crayon is dash the blue crayon. Blue crayon. Now you tell me, children, orange crayon is, observe the pictures and tell me, orange crayon is dash the blue crayon. Yes, it is shorter. So shorter, write in the blank given shorter, S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter, T-H-A-N, than, shorter than, longer than here, shorter than. Observe here, the orange crayon is shorter than the blue crayon. Okay, children? Second one. Observe the slippers. Observe the slippers. What they gave? Which colors they have given us? In your textbook, see and tell me which colors? Yes, it is blue color and pink color. Is it or not? Good. Now they have asked a question. The blue slipper. I'm writing here on the board. See children, the blue slipper is dash the pink slipper. Pink slipper. You tell me, after seeing these two slippers, which one is longer? Yes, this blue color slipper is longer. Very good. Now you tell me which one is shorter? Good. It is pink color. Did you see in your textbooks or not? Follow the textbooks. Yes, you have to write the blue slipper is dash the pink slipper. That means what you are going to write in the blank? Yes, it is longer. Longer than. Longer than. Okay. The blue slipper is longer than the pink slipper. Next one. The pink slipper is dash the blue slipper. Blue slipper. So in that pink slipper is longer or shorter? Yes, it is shorter. Write down here S-H-O-R-T-E-R, shorter than. Shorter than. So once again I am reading out the blanks. You please copy in your studio book neatly in the blanks given. Okay. The blue crayon is longer than the orange crayon. Okay. And the orange crayon is shorter than the blue crayon. Okay. Once again, second question. The blue slipper is longer than the pink slipper. Next one. The pink slipper is shorter than the blue slipper. So children, please do copy in your studio book. Okay. We will continue in the next class. In the next class, we will do that another exercise 1.3 in your studio book. Okay. So we will learn where to use. They have given some sentences to fill with yes or no. So we are going to continue this exercise in the next class. Okay. I hope you have understand. Thank you for listening this. Thank you one and all.